What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you the Canon 77D. If you haven't already, please drop a like on this video and please subscribe to my channel for more. And please also comment if you like this video so I know if I need to make more or not. And let's get started. So this right here is the Canon 77D. The first thing you'll see is the stupid manual and stuff. I mean, you'll use it. No, not really. I lied. Then the lens that you bought it with comes with a nice strap that you can use for photos and stuff, but I don't use it for videos, you know. You don't need it. Next, the battery. Next you'll see the body of the 77D. This is the body of the 77D. It's decent size, you know. It's pretty light though for how big it is. It's pretty light. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. So this is all that comes in the box right here. If you bought the EOS 77D 18 through 15 lens kit, and all this comes in it, and I am going to show you what this camera looks like in the video right now. Oh, and this is now on my Canon 77D. It's supposed to have really good video. Hopefully it has a side screen right here so I can see myself, which is great for YouTube, but I'm gonna be like looking over to the right sometimes, which could be bad, but I get to see where I'm at all the time. So this is what it looks like right now. This is what the EOS 77D looks like right here. Hopefully the video looks great. It's supposed to be really good. This camera runs around $1,000, I think, $999. It looks pretty good for right now as I see it, but right now I'm not running on any kind of microphone. I'm using a microphone off the camera to see how well it does. And the camera I was using before was just my iPhone camera on HD 60 FPS. And this one right now I'm shooting on 29 FPS, I think, on full HD. This camera also has HDR, which is really good video. It has 24.4 megapixel camera, I'm pretty sure. It also shoots time-lapse mode, which is really cool, which is like if you want to shoot Casey Neistat style, that's how you would do it right there. The pictures are really good on this camera. They have like of settings you could go into. They have like for low lights, portraits, landscapes. This is like a really good camera you could use. It also has, you could put a microphone on this camera too, and it has an audio jack and everything, so it's great for recording videos. Alright, now I'm going to take this outside and show you guys what it looks like.